Ever wondered how a successful dividend growth portfolio looks like? Picture this: a collection of investments that not only provide you with a steady stream of income, but also grow over time. Intriguing, isn't it? This is the essence of a dividend growth portfolio. Throughout this video, we'll unveil the steps to build such a portfolio, from choosing the right investments to maintaining and growing them. So, buckle up and immerse yourself in the world of smart investing. Stay tuned to learn how to build a successful dividend growth portfolio. A dividend growth portfolio starts with the right building blocks. But what are these building blocks? They are high-quality dividend growth stocks. These stocks are the bedrock of a successful portfolio. Choosing such stocks requires careful consideration. You need to assess the company's financial health. The more robust it is, the better its ability to generate profits and pay dividends. You also need to look at the dividend yield. This is the annual dividend payment divided by the stock's price. A higher yield can mean more income for you, but don't stop there. Also consider the dividend growth rate. This is the rate at which the dividend payment has grown over time. A company that consistently increases its dividend is a positive sign. It indicates that the company is confident in its future earnings. Remember, these building blocks are crucial. They will determine the success of your portfolio. Once you have your building blocks, it's time to put them together. With your stocks selected, it's time to construct your portfolio. Now, don't just toss your stocks into the portfolio willy-nilly. There's a science to it. A key principle to remember here is diversification. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across various sectors and regions, you mitigate the risk of a single stock or sector underperforming. But diversification isn't just about spreading the risk, it's also about balance. It's crucial to allocate different weights to each stock based on their expected performance and risk level. Stocks with higher expected returns may carry greater risk, so it's all about finding that sweet spot of balance between risk and return. It's a bit like being a chef, really. Each ingredient or stock has its own flavor or return potential. The trick is to blend them in just the right proportions to create a dish or portfolio that's both delightful and satisfying. Now that you have your portfolio, it's all about maintenance. A successful dividend growth portfolio requires regular maintenance and review. Like a well-tended garden, your portfolio needs constant care to flourish. This includes routinely assessing your holdings to ensure they align with your investment strategy. Rebalancing is a key part of this process. Over time, market fluctuations can cause your portfolio's allocation to drift from its original design. Periodic rebalancing helps keep your portfolio aligned with your risk tolerance and investment objectives. Also, don't forget to reinvest your dividends. This is the secret sauce to accelerating growth. When dividends are reinvested, they purchase additional shares, which in turn generate more dividends. This compounding effect can significantly boost your portfolio's value over time. Remember, maintaining and growing a portfolio isn't about chasing the hottest stocks. It's about discipline, patience, and staying true to your strategy. With these steps, you now have the blueprint to build a successful dividend growth portfolio. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We've delved deep into the world of dividend growth stocks, understanding their potential and the role they play in a profitable portfolio. We've outlined the steps to constructing a robust portfolio, from selecting the right stocks to diversifying your investments. Then we explored how to maintain and grow your portfolio, adopting strategies for consistent growth and success. Remember, building a successful dividend growth portfolio takes time and patience, but with these steps, you're well on your way.